Hello to everyone. Today it's October 30, 2016. There was a strong earthquake again in Italy. It was first evident as 7.1, then they seized down at 6.5. This is extremely strong earthquake. This earthquake, it's about, I don't know what did they say, how many times it's stronger than the last one. Just a moment, let me show you this, because I don't forget, did they said 15 times or 100 times, but I will show you now. Just a moment to open this newspapers portal, and they said that it was how many times stronger. Just a moment. So here it is. I want to give you good information about this. Here it is. Just a moment. So they said it was the strongest earthquake in the last 36 years. Let me say, American seismologists, they measure 6.6, Italian measure 6.5. 7:40 in the morning, and just a moment. I think that they said it's about 15 times stronger than last earthquake. I think so, maybe even more, but this is not the point. I want to show you something else before I start, and before I show you this earthquake. I want to show you some facts. First, as you can see, it was 100% dark moon, 29 day. That means that this is the full dark moon. Also same, this is the equal to the full moon. So this is the empty moon, and this one was the full moon. So this is the one of the phases that I take out from the context from all other phases, because they are very deadly. And I made a video about it on my channel, because I opened a new channel on my name, and if you want, you can subscribe to. But I made a video on the Croatian language, where I 3 days before this earthquake in Italy predict strong earthquake in the beginning of the November. So this is all in the same period, because end of the October and the beginning of November, it's the same period time, you know. So I said that I expect one strong earthquake during the November, and I mean it, this one, especially this one. So 3 days later, it happened exactly what I said. Don't forget what I said in May 2016, when I warned that Europe will be hit with strong earthquakes between 4.5 and 6 Richter scale. Unfortunately, it did come out of the context, and this one it's much more stronger than 6.5. It's very, very strong earthquake. Now let me show you what caused this earthquake. I mean, this one is very, very impressive. Let me tell you why. First, let me show you the position of the moon and the sun. As you can see, moon and the sun are in alignment, one next to another, and this what you see here, it's on the 90 degrees of the epicenter in Italy. Now I'm going to show you this. So this is the moment of the earthquake, 7:40. Let me show you. Here is the moon, here is the epicenter. So let me show you. Moon, here it is, epicenter. Now read the data in the middle of the screen. Just a moment. Just a moment. It's here. 91 degrees. So if I go back, a bit back, just a moment, I will show you exactly. This is matter of the seconds. This is something incredible. I was measuring today this situation and I was shocked when I saw here. Look at this. I go a few more seconds back. Okay, now watch this. Moon. Here's the moon. Here's the epicenter. Okay, now we go more down and we can see exactly this. It's come under 90 degrees sharp. Here it is. So if we go a bit back, we will come exactly on the 90 degrees angle. This is the angular separation. This is the earthquake. People, this is the earthquake. This is a fascinating thing. When you move this only for a second, it's not anymore under the 90 degrees. So I can tell you exactly in the second when this earthquake occurred in the sky and when this earthquake it hit the ground. And the speed, the realization of this earthquake between the time of the hit 7:40 18 seconds and 7:36, it's only 3.5 seconds, because this is a terrible power between alignment of the moon and the sun under the angle of 90 degrees with the epicenter in Italy, which is here. Now this is the comet Panstarrs M1 C 2016. As you can see, this is a completely new 2016 comet, which at this time passed exactly through the epicenter. So we have an extremely unusual situation when everything is alignment with the earthquake. Orbit of the comet, sun and the moon. And I mean, this is, I don't know what to say. Just here's the sun. Look at the sun. Here's the sun. I can show you where the sun is, because this is very. Just a moment. I will show you the sun. So we need sun. We will mark the sun. Here is the sun. Okay, now let me show you this. Let's see what the angular situation between the sun and here is sun epicenter. It's how many? 96 degrees. 96 degrees. 6.2 position angle. One more time. Here it is. 96 degrees. This is position. Let's see the position, angular position between Panstarrs and sun. I didn't measure this one. 76. 76. Let me see the other way. Where is the sun? Here it is. And the Panstarrs. 76. What is the relation between the moon and the sun? Let me see that. Angular separation, it's 160 degrees, but I don't see the other side. Just a moment. Okay, let me see like this. I didn't measure this one. 5, and we have this. What is this? 6, 5 degrees, 120. That means nothing. So this is in the moment of the earthquake, is under 90 degrees with the epicenter. So this is the earthquake. So it's very, very simple. Very simple. So this is it. I just want to show you this because this is something amazing. And if you watch my video here, you don't have to understand Croatian, because I will show you the about 10 or 11 strongest earthquake in our area in Croatia and Italy, and yes, Croatia, Italy, Bosnia, Macedonia, and you will see when it was, how was the, which was the moon illumination here. You can see the date, and you will see that all earthquakes happened on the same lunar phases, and this is not fucking coincidence. And I mentioned here that I expect very strong earthquake in the next few days. That means in November, and this is it. Thank you very much and stay tuned.